Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Daisy Avenue in Long Beach. And like I always say, a lot has happened since our last video. We have concrete in. It's taken a while. We have concrete in. Our pits are ready for our pumps. We're just waiting for some electrical over here. So in these two locations, so this pit, the sewer pump for the ADUs. So because we're subterranean, we actually have to pump the sewer up and back to the connection to sewer line at the back of this building. The second pit is for our water that comes from the patio, and it's gonna get pumped out and out to the street. So we have two sewer pumps at this location, and there's gonna be lids in here. All our stucco is done. You can see that we have the stucco up to match the rest of the building. And we are here today to verify the measurements for all our metal railing, because we are going to emulate or match that railing there, and it's going to come along this wall and then down these stairs. But this is coming along. As soon as we get this in, this is about move-in ready. We got a little bit of touch-up work to do on the inside. What the major delay is here is the electrical. Southern California Edison doing what Southern California Edison does, just way behind in getting us power on these ADUs. So guys, any questions about multi-tenant ADUs? Any questions about standard single-family residence ADUs? Please DM us at the link below, or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.